Hanna Huskova is a Belarusian freestyle skier. She was born on August 28, 1992 in Minsk, Belarus. In 2022 Winter Olympics, Hanna Huskova is the freestyle skiing women's aerial silver medal winner. Shu Mengtao takes the top spot in freestyle skiing women's aerials, becoming the first Chinese female athlete ever to win an Olympic gold medal in aerials. Megan Nick wins the freestyle skiing women's aerials bronze medal, her first medal at Beijing 2022. Hanna Huskova won a gold medal in the aerials at the 2018 Olympics and placed 21st in 2014. She competed at the FIS Freestyle Ski and Snowboarding World Championships 2015, where she qualified for the aerials final and placed 6th in the final. Due to injuries, she almost completely missed the 2016 or 17 World Cup season. As a child, she initially went to gymnastics, but at the age of 7, her parents sent her to freestyle skiing, trying it for the first time by age 9. By 2005, she was on the senior Belarusian national freestyle team and made her international debut at the Russian Open Championship in Chusovoi, where she finished third.